Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on this Porsche Cayenne. What we'll be doing guys, we'll show you where to find the fuse for the alarm, tilt sensor and proximity sensor as well. Stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe guys. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can, because that's how we started guys, that's our mission, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, give a like and subscribe guys, it means a lot for all the work we do. Now, all the electrical videos will be uploaded on this channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. However, the mechanical videos will be uploaded on our main channels, Auto Repair guys and World Mechanics, 2 channels. Check them out guys, amazing content. That will save you thousands of dollars. Now, let me show you where the switch is quick. Okay, the switch for the proximity and the tilt sensor is right here. Okay, this switch right here, this is for the alarm. Now, the fuse guys is located in this fuse box, behind this cover. We need a plastic panel too, like that one. Get it in here, pry that thing open. Now, the fuse that we're looking at guys, but check this thing out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. The fuses are printed on the back side. We need to find fuse number 34. This is the 4th fuse from left to right. And you count the empty space too. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This 5 amp fuse. This is the fuse that we're looking at now. So pull that fuse out, we're going to replace it with a new one now. And this is it guys. This is your fuse for the alarm tilt sensor. So, thank you guys for watching, please. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.